To keep you updated, Listín Diario, the newspaper for the Dominicans, present the most important news of the day. August 5th, 2021. Chamber of Accounts withdrew from legal and judicial actions initiated by the past administration. The plenary session of the Chamber of Accounts decided to desist from all the judicial actions and legal instances that the last management of the organ presented before the criminal jurisdiction, the Supreme Court of Justice, and the Constitutional Court. It also ordered the suspension of the legal services of the law firm Inteligencia Legal SRL, represented by Jennifer Rodriguez Gomez and Francisco Soto. The National District ranked second in death from COVID-19 and the first in registered infections. The National District, whose population will be free from the curfew starting next Monday, also has the second position in their number of inhabitants vaccinated against the virus and the first place in the number of laboratory samples processed by diagnosis from March 2020 to the date. The authorities will locate the asymptomatic carriers of the virus. To achieve greater uptake of cases, the Department of Public Health is scheduled for next week to launch a 3-day operation to search or track cases of the virus in asymptomatic people by conducting antigen tests open to entire population that requires and wants it. The sampling stations will be placed in locations with a large number of people, including shopping malls and markets nationwide. The Chinese tourist is out of all risk of having monkeypox. According to the Minister of Public Health, Daniel Rivera, is out of all risk and without any symptoms. The Chinese tourist admitted to the country after being notified as a contact of a patient diagnosed with the disease of monkeypox in the United States. The country has more than 7 million of vaccines available. The Dominican Republic has received more than 17 million of vaccines against the coronavirus since last February, when the inoculation process began, of which 10,266,837 have been administered until yesterday, with an availability of about 7 million doses and pending that the pharmaceutical companies continue to honor the contract signed with the government. The United States donated 1 million doses of Pfizer vaccine to the country. The Chamber of Deputies approved in a single reading a first amendment to the contract signed with the pharmaceutical company Pfizer to receive in the country more than 1 million vaccines against COVID donated by the United States. By virtue of this contract amendment, Pfizer agrees to the donation by the United States of 1,350,000 doses of its coronavirus vaccine, as well as 1,002,000 of diluent. Abinader designed a commission that will study the living conditions of medicine professors. President Luis Abinader designed the Vice President Raquel Peña to head a commission that will serve to study for a week the conditions in which the Dominican doctors who were the first professor of medicines live. For this and more information, visit listindiario.com. For Listín Diario voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez. To keep you updated, Listín Diario, the newspaper for the Dominicans, presented the most important news of the day.